Your email isn't just where your favorite cat memes and online shopping receipts live. It's the master key to your entire digital life. Think about it. Your bank, your social media, your cloud storage, even your job. Most of it is tied to your email. Now imagine what happens when that master key falls into the wrong hands. It's not just a bad day. A compromised email account can lead to identity theft, financial fraud, blackmail, and even targeted cyber attacks. But here's the good news. Panic is optional when you've got a clear action plan. In today's video, we're walking you step by step through what to do when your email gets compromised, how to spot it, how to fix it, and how to make sure it never happens again. Section 1. Identifying a compromised email account. Sometimes it's not obvious. Your email won't just pop up and say, "Hey, I've been hacked." You have to notice the signs. Here are the top red flags. Unusual login activity, suspicious sent emails, account settings changed. You can't log in. If any of these sound familiar, don't wait. Section 2. Immediate action plan. The moment you suspect your account has been compromised, act immediately. Every second matters. Step 1. Change your password and turn on two-factor authentication. Step 2. Alert your contacts. Let them know not to click anything suspicious. Step 3. Report the incident to your email provider or IT support. Section 3. Notify institutions. This part is crucial, especially if your email is linked to financial platforms. Notify your banks and financial services. Update passwords on other accounts. Report to the authorities if needed. You're not just cleaning up a mess. You're cutting off access to everything else the attacker might try to reach. Section 4. Assessing the damage. Now it's time to investigate. Go through your email folders for any strange messages. Check your login activity logs. Make a risk list of sensitive data the attacker may have seen. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to knowing what's been exposed. Section 5. Lock it down. Security deep clean. Let's secure everything. Review all email settings. Look for email forwarding, filters, auto-replies you didn't set. Scan all devices with updated antivirus software. Update everything. Browsers, apps, extensions. Enable login alerts so you're notified next time. Section 6. Future-proofing your email. Let's build a defense wall. Use a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords. Be suspicious of attachments and links. Install regular software updates. And please, avoid public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Getting hacked feels like someone broke into your house while you were sleeping. It's scary, frustrating, and deeply personal. But now you know exactly what to do. By acting fast, informing the right people, and building up your defenses, you turn a nightmare into a learning moment. A painful one, yes, but a powerful one. Start treating your email with the same level of protection as your house keys or even your bank card. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at teleris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Teleris works in real time, request for a demo to see how Teleris AI agents work. Now, let's get back to the business of the day. What are the most obvious signs that my email is compromised? Unusual login alerts. Passwords suddenly not working. Strange emails sent from your account. Unexpected changes to your account settings. I'm panicked. What's the first thing I should do? Try to change your password. If you can't, use the recovery option. Then immediately enable two-factor authentication. How do I figure out what the attacker accessed? Check your folders for any sensitive info. Think about which services are tied to that email. Then secure each of those accounts. How can I prevent this from happening again? Use strong, unique passwords. Enable 2FA everywhere. Be cautious with emails and attachments. Keep your software updated and use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.